back, everyone. We are looking at Pancakeswap on a weekly time frame. And I'm going to quickly draw our little levels of support and resistance so we can follow up on the lower time frames. I would say that is our support. Our resistance is right here, and we're close to it. All right, so let's go off from here. So as of right now, Pancakeswap is coming off a huge descending wedge retracement, and we are finding some support at $5.51, and we're finding resistance right now right at the 21, which is around about $10. If we can actually close like this on a week, this is actually pretty healthy. We're not making a new low. So this next week, we can start seeing some upside momentum up to like $13. I'm going to show you on the daily as soon as we get there. But one thing I wanted to point out is that we are under the 21 EMA and the 21 EMA is under the 55. So that's a little bit of resistance above, ahead of us. But if we can get above here and close, we will start actually getting the 21 above the 55, and it'll show you some upside movement. On a daily time frame, we are actually above all the major EMAs. We are above the 21 EMA. 21 EMA is above the 55, and it's trying to cross into the 100, and we are testing the 200. This is a very positive stance after a retracement. As long as we don't get under $7.50, the upside is more likely in this asset on a daily time frame. But if we do lose this 750, I would say I would take a stop loss and be worried about going to 550 and lower. 750 is the Bollinger Band bottom also, so this makes sense as this is the level of support. Our level of resistance right now is $9.89. If we can get above that, we can start testing this 200 and overcoming it, and then testing into the $12.85 area. The hand is right now in the buyer's court. If the buying continues, we will get up there. If sellers start trying to take control and start shorting this asset, then yeah, we might be due for a little bit more retracement into the low $7 area. But I still think as long as we don't break under $5.51, the upside is higher in probability. Going to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame is looking like what we want our weekly to look like. We are above all the EMAs. The 21 EMA is even above the middle of the Bollinger Band, and we are holding as support. As long as we can hold these next 4-hour candles above $9, we should not be panicking, and we should wait for this retracement to play out and then go to the top side. If we do start getting above $9.70, I would start laddering some profit, especially if we get to like $10. I just see that there might be some selling pressure at that area. After that area, we tap it once and we start consolidating sideways and then test it again once or twice. Then I would say, hey, I think we're going to break $10. But the first tap, I think we might sell off a little and retrace, and then we will attempt to consolidate sideways next whole week and then go up. So keep all that in mind. Right now, the volume is slowing down, and if sellers do step up, we have to keep in mind that we have our first level resistance at $9, and then we want to look at $8.55 at the next level. And worst case scenario, under $8, we want to start considering taking our position off and waiting to see how low this asset goes before it wants to retrace back up to the top side. All right, guys, that's all for Pancakeswap. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell button notifications for real-time updates. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below. And then please do follow the channel. We have a lot of good material coming out this weekend, and I'm going to cover some stocks as well for you guys to look for on Monday Market Open. Thank you so much. Talk to you guys soon. Have a great weekend.